Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see TikTok private account videos, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you are on TikTok and there is a certain creator or a certain person that you would like to check out their videos, but they have privated their account, so if you want to see their videos, unfortunately you cannot. If you go ahead and search a user and whom you would like to check out their particular videos over there on their page, so what you have to do is you have to go ahead and follow them. Once you have followed them, once they have accepted it, once they have let you, they have made you a friend, then only you will be able to check out their videos. So the only way to access a private account's video is to be friends with them, and that's what you're going to be doing. You're simply going to go ahead, send them a request. You can simply go ahead, follow them. Once they've accepted and granted you a follow back as well, once you have become a friend, you will be able to check out their content as a priority, and you will be able to see all the videos as well. That's basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.